fun fact!
Did you know they didn't use pumpkins to make the first jack-o'-lanterns? They used, like, turnips. Well, now you know.
It's draw time with Mr. Mayberry.
It's Scribble time with SADiE.
Hi, I'm SADiE, and this is Scribble Time with SADiE Fall Edition. Today, we're going to draw a jack-o'-lantern. Get your pencils ready. Let's get started. First, you're going to draw a circle like U, like this. Then, you're going to draw a top, but make sure it doesn't hit the top of your page. We're going to need that. Then, I'm going to make my pumpkin's eyes hearts. You can do whatever eyes you want though. Then, you make a mouth, a line downwards like this. So like this, and then you can add some teeth, but I'm gonna add a tongue. And then you're going to have to, and then if you did a tongue like me, you're gonna have to erase those lines because you don't want your tongue to have lines on it, except for this line down. And then you're gonna start here and go up. Then start here and go down. Start here and go up. Start here and go down. Just make sure you skip over your mouth because you don't want lines on your mouth. Now you're going to continue doing this until your whole pumpkin is full. When you get to this point, you don't actually have to go over the mouth because the mouth's ended. Okay, are we done with that? No, that's a lot, but oh well. So now you need to start up here and make a little curl like that. You can do that, right? And then a little farther back, you're going to make another one like that and connect it. That's going to be the stem of your jack-o'-lantern. Then you might want to put your jack-o'-lantern on a field or a doorstep, however you want it. But I think mine's going to be in Lollipop Land. I also think I'm going to add myself to the picture because I'm amazing. True statement. I'm amazing because I am. Don't forget to sign your work. I like to put a heart on my name. Now, that is how you draw a jack-o'-lantern. Isn't that amazing? I'm exhausted. That's how to scribble a jack-o'-lantern. See you next time.
Mr. Mayberry.
With SADiE.
The end. Bye-bye.
If I were to use something different than a pumpkin to make a jack-o'-lantern, I'd use an apple.